So let's install both of these softwares. Let me go to download. Let's install MySql first. Yes. Let's go with custom one. Next. And we have to select some packages that we want to download or install. Click on the green arrow button. In application, let's install Workbench. Click here, green arrow button. Let's do the shell, and we are all set. We just want these three. Next. Next. Yes. Execute. It will do automatically right here. So the last one is happening. Next. Next. We don't have to change anything right here. Next. Next. Let's provide password so you can access your database, MySql database, through this password whenever you have to perform any updation, deletion, or anything else. And you must have to remember this password, or else you have to reinstall your MySql. Next, let's change this one. Next. Execute. And our installation is completed. Next. Just finish it. And let's check, is it come here or not? MySql command line. Let's open this. And it is coming. Let's provide the password that we set over there. And we are logged in our MySql. Show tables, show databases. Databases. Currently I have these databases because I have used MySql before. So I can also delete this one. For instance, let's install the Oracle SQL.